In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automations in Clickup. Automations can help streamline your workflow and save you time by managing repetitive tasks effortlessly. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to head over to the Clickup website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Clickup's homepage. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking Login, you'll have the option to continue with your Google account. This step is particularly convenient if you're already logged into Google on your device. Go ahead and select Continue with Google, and from there, simply choose your Google account. This will take you straight into your Clickup workspace. Once you're logged in and inside your workspace, look to the left panel. This is where you'll find all the essential tools and options available to you. Click on your workspace to open it up. This serves as your command central in Clickup, where you can manage all your tasks and projects. Now that you're in your workspace, turn your attention to the top right corner again. Here, you will find a button labeled Automate. Click on this button to begin the process of setting up your automation. This feature is designed to help you by automating common tasks based on your preferences and set criteria. After clicking the Automate button, you'll see an option to create automation on your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic of automation really begins. You will be prompted to select and set up your trigger. Think of a trigger as the starting point of your automation. For example, a common trigger might be the completion of a specific task, a due date being reached, or a status change. Choose the trigger that best suits your needs and fits the task you wish to automate. Once you've set your trigger, the next step is to choose and configure your action. An action is the task or set of tasks that will be executed once the trigger is activated. Actions might include sending an email, updating a task, or moving a task to a different list. As with the trigger, it's important to select an action that aligns with your workflow requirements. Finally, once you are satisfied with your trigger and action setups, the last step is to click the Create button. This will finalize your automation setup, and from this point forward, Clickup will manage the automated task sequence for you. Congratulations, you've just set up your first automation in Clickup. With this completed, you should find your workflow more efficient and streamlined. Feel free to experiment with additional automations to further enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.